Welcome to Otisa Mathematics. In this video, we are to find W if W raised to the power W is equal to 9 raised to the power 2187. Okay, let's start. First of all, let's try to break this number. 2187 is the same as 3 times 729. That should be the first thing. So W raised to the power W will now be 9 raised to the power 3 times 729. Now from indices, A raised to the power M times N is the same as A raised to the power M all raised to the power N. So W raised to the power W is equal to 9 raised to the power 3 times 729 becomes W raised to the power W, which is 9 raised to the power 3 all raised to the power 729. 9 raised to the power 3 is 729. So we are going to have W raised to the power W, which is equal to 729 raised to the power 729. So by W raised to the power W is equal to 729 raised to the power 729. So therefore W is 729. Thank you very much, viewers, for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, you can click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I load the video, you'll be alerted wherever you are. Bye.